Welcome to the demo of Virtual Subject Matter Expert, a Wipro Imagine capability for improving employee experience and customer experience, and that could be instantly made available to some of the strategic customers here, like for example the high-tech HP, Dell, Lenovo, and employee experience healthcare segment. So the capability is pretty interesting. We have a visual assistance for desktop apps using augmented reality, and a cool feature where you can actually create a virtual subject matter expert in a matter of few minutes, just under 2-3 minutes. An employee can create a knowledge base and create a virtual subject matter expert. We'll take a look at this demo as well, and could be distributed across. Some of the unique capabilities of this framework, this IP, is it supports 23 languages in terms of capabilities. So those many markets, time to market, where you can actually instantly and very quickly deploy a virtual subject matter expert by quickly creating it in 5 minutes or 10 minutes. And it runs on existing install base of PCs. So the first demo, let's see how for an European market, a virtual subject matter expert can be created for a high-tech customer. Welcome! Now let's take a look at the Wipro Imagine Virtual Subject Matter Expert from the point of view of an end user located in a European country. I'm going to choose Europe in the virtual subject matter expert and then choose one of the issues listed for visual assistance. Right now, I want to fix my battery problem and make sure my laptop lasts longer. I'm going to start the virtual subject matter expert visual guidance. Just before that, behind the scenes, just want to quickly show you the brightness is full and the system is set in full performance mode in French. Let me start the virtual subject matter expert. I'm going to click the start. See what now happens. The computer vision algorithm is now picking up and understanding the scene.
Please click highlighted button.
It recommends the right set of buttons to be clicked. You see the visual pointer here, the icon that's been configured by the expert.
Please select the choice.
Now it's showing among these two choices, is asking the user to go ahead and make the choice of applicate city correction so that the problem can be resolved. Let me go ahead that, and the problem now has been fixed.
Congratulations, the laptop battery will last longer.
You see, it has fixed the issue, and then the thumbs up icon comes, and behind the scenes you will see the system has optimized the battery from performance to utilization mode. Thank you. One of the cool features of this IP-based solution is an effective time frame to create a virtual subject matter expert solution for a customer, the creator's toolkit that enables this. Find out in the next demo how long it takes to create a virtual SME and launch it into the market. Let's time this next demo and find out for ourselves. Let's quickly create a virtual SME for European market. Let me choose Europe, French, and the issue is La Batteria. Adding power diagnostic to the documentation, adding the knowledge base now. Let's create the augmented reality script for the sequence of visuals. Let me choose the subtitle here and type it in here. Select the pointer to be used, the visual in the AR. Add the record into the system. Let me choose the second screenshot that I want to add in here. I want to select this button, Appliquer Correction, and selecting the pointer here. Let me choose the hand pointer for now. Adding the record into the augmented reality script generation tool. This is the third screen that appears, and I want to annotate this with the augmented reality. Let me type this in: augmentation lead Dimpaki. Welcome. In this demo, let's see how a virtual subject matter expert is able to improve an employee's experience. More often in organizations, senior and experienced employees needs to pass on very inherent knowledge that they have inherited over last few years, and this working knowledge can be captured into a virtual subject matter expert as a knowledge base and then passed on to new employees. Let's see this in action. Here, a complex X-ray software needs to be worked upon for a patient by a junior nurse. Can she do it without the help of and time of a more senior professional? Let's find out in action. The nurse begins the virtual subject matter expert. She is able to now operate a complex software just by using the virtual subject matter expert. Let's see it in action. Starting it. Now, this is a complex healthcare software, and the junior nurse really is.
Step 1 is set smoothing bands to a value of 3.
Okay, so she's getting visual assistance and audio clues of how to treat a particular patient by analyzing